Oh, I can't move my arm. Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. Today I'm checking out this OTC TENS unit. Anyways, and EMS unit. This is an AUVON product for a non-invasive muscle stimulation thing. So it says, has a couple warnings on here. If you have these different symptoms, don't use this. Bam! There's that little guy right there. Let's check that out. Okay. That comes off. It's got the pads, how to use the pads. Okay. Clean and dry the flat area, no hair and no wounds. Take out the packaging. Connect the lead. Let's give this a shot here. Quick guide. Okay. Got a bunch of pads in here, guys. And the leads, A and B. All right, let's just do this. We'll do it here. This goes into, test this out here. All right, A. Plug that in there. Let's grab this. Connect one pair of pads to the device. Grab the corner of the pad and peel it off. But do not pull the wire. All right. Okay, we got just a ton of these. Plug this guy into there. Choo choo. Those just go right in there. All right. Cool. Attach and press the pads firmly on the skin to make unit off. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and I have my elbow issue, so that's going on there. Whew, it's a little chilly. And this one's going on the other side, kind of like a sticky. Whew. All right, let's do that right there. Turn on the unit, grab the corner of the pad, peel it off. Do not pull the wire. Attach and press the pads on the skin, make sure your contact. Turn on the unit and set the mode, current time. Power button on here on the side. Oh, wow. Nice big display there, guys. We got a ton of different things. So TENS, let's go up or down. All right, what if I do it into B there? Oh, whoa, whoa. I can't move my arm. I can't move my arm. Okay. Oh, whoa. I couldn't move my arm. There's two sides. So there's A side and B side. And I had it in A. And so I moved over to B and I kept turning up the frequency. So this is a ton of different modes. EMS, relax, TENS, relax, and EMS. So this one, whoa, guys. So it's like giving me this little kind of stimulation thing. I couldn't move my arm. I had it cranked up a little bit and I was like, oh. So, but it gives a stimulation in between, like the, just below the skin there, transsubcutaneous. So, I think that means like under the skin, electronic stimulation, nerve stimulation. And it just gives that little, vibration in between there. But that was crazy because you could crank up the intensity with the plus and minus here on the side, and it was real. I couldn't move my hand. I was like, whoa, am I getting tased here or whatever? That didn't hurt. I just couldn't move my hand. So that actually feels kind of cool. And what this does is like it kind of like stimulates the nerves in between there, and it can also like I guess interfere with the pain receptors or something going to your nervous system, so it like there is no pain or something. Anyways, these are pretty popular. Never actually used one before. This one's got several thousand, well, more than 1,500 people that have checked it out on Amazon, purchased it, made comments or whatever. And this is kind of cool. There's tons of pads here, and I think you can do multiples at once, if I'm not mistaken. This thing is at full charge here. I mean, let's just check out the other things in the box here while that's going. Okay, we got our whole user's manual, because I was just hitting buttons basically. Don't use this. I mean, if you got pacemakers, things like this, you want to be careful. Obviously, make sure you guys read the whole thing and check it out first before you just start using it like I do. Time indicator, on, off button. Okay, so it breaks down how to use everything here. Select the mode, P2. Yeah, when I cranked it up, I was just like, ah. Let's do that, should we? All right, we're going back down. We're going back down, okay. Maybe start off kind of gentle. But I could see how this could be, people go through a lot of pain, and they search for different ways to relieve that pain or relieve the pain. And this is, I guess, a pretty popular way, maybe help some people. Obviously, this is not medical advice or anything like that, so you're free to research it for yourself. But yeah, these 10 units seem pretty popular. Definitely, if you have like a lot of pain, like my elbow for, man, I don't know how long it was, like months and months, it was just hurting. And every time I was just barely touching on something, I could barely even touch the skin, and it would hurt really bad. So it was just like, I don't know what it was. It's one of those pains you have when it's like, you think it's never going to stop just because you've had it so long, and then you realize after a while that the pain has stopped. But it's just like, I don't know, something you live with for so long. So anyways, like I said, different things people can try. This thing seems super like small and compact. You could take it with you where you want to go. Do your little TENS. There's a bunch of different things here. So we have like the like a massage, and one's more like a punching. One's like this one. This one's like the acupuncture one. You know what? I want to switch it up. Let's go to. This one says relax one, so I'm going to try that. Okay, so we can see the screen on there. It's got the different. So these are a whole bunch of different electrical stimulations that this is going to go through. And yeah, it's pretty cool, pretty easy to use, easy to set up. These things just go on there. I believe these are reusable, the pads. So you don't need to like, oh, now I got to throw them away since I got it out. No, it's not like that. So get off me. And then when you're done using it, you just put it away. But yeah, this is small, lightweight, compact. You could throw it in your pants pocket, throw it in your purse, whatever you want. So very cool, my friends. Anyways, thanks for watching this review. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time. I think I can just hit the power button. It's got the battery indicator on there, and I believe these can just come off, and we can just, it's like a sticky. Don't use the cord to pull them off. Yeah, and it's just kind of like this gel that doesn't really leave any residue on you. If you want to see that, like that, and you just replace it. So pretty cool. Just stick it back on there. That's why it says recommends you make sure your arm is clean, so you're not pulling any dirt off it or anything like that. You want the leads to be nice and clean so you can reuse them and stuff like that. But super easy to set up, guys. Very cool. Got the charging thing. Got a nice little pack here too. You can throw everything in. So whether you're taking it with you, just want to relax on the couch, maybe while you're watching a movie or something, you can do your little session or whatever. But very cool. Anyways, my friends, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll catch you next time.